Thursday, April 22nd, and you're probably wondering, why the suit? Well, Eustace, can I get you anything? You look thirsty. What will you have? Screwdriver, I can do that. Here you go. Shh! Don't move, I think I heard something. Okay, I'm just messing with you, obviously. Being stupid. I had my band concert tonight, and it went pretty well. So, on the way home, I stopped by Home Depot to pick up just more and more of the things that are arriving every day. I just want to keep picking them up. It only takes me a few minutes to go over there, throw them in my car. Also, my car is not big, as you know, it's a hatchback. So, this way I can keep things steadily arriving at the house. Friday, April 23rd, and I've got a 20 cubic yard construction skip that just arrived this morning. I'm gonna fill it up tonight. Check out how many nails they put in to anchor these to the concrete. Holy crud. I've got the doors out and cleaned up. I want to start framing these next. The more I look at this doorway here, the more I'm thinking French door is the right idea. A French door, when it's closed, will let in, I don't know, 10% less light than a sliding vinyl door. But check out how nice that is when it's open. And with a French door, you could open it up. I think that's gonna be the right call for this doorway. Sunday, it's Sunday, April 25th, and it's absolutely beautiful today. I'm gonna try to get as much demolition done downstairs, like ripping out the HVAC and the hot water heater, pipes, tiny bits of remaining drywall, air intake vents upstairs. I'm just gonna use the day to go around and just rip off and get rid of anything while I've still got the skip that I can think of. And after that, it should be full, put everything back together mode. So I'm gonna get going on that. Continuing demo work, I've taken out all of the stairs that I can take out for now. As you can see, the little ramp up from the closet is gone, so I've put a couple of safety rails in place. I also got nails everywhere. Majorly dragging my feet on the next part of the project. It's Sunday evening, 6:30ish. I'm gonna take this and all this ducting out. The reason I'm so unmotivated to do it is because I know it's gonna be a full-on respirator job. These things are gonna be full of dust, and I'm probably doing this the wrong way. I keep sweeping because I like a clean area, and then I take some stuff out and then I have to clean it again. Anyways, I'm gonna get masked up and get cracking on these disgusting vents. I've just shut off all the gas to the house, as well as each valve downstairs to the furnace and to the hot water heater. I've disconnected the pipes physically from the hot water heater. Personally, I don't like how they had it installed. There was no flex hose, which means it's hard to disconnect a bunch of pipes that are like connected together in place. Anyways, it's disconnected. I'm giving it just a minute to make sure that the gas smell isn't intensifying. And if everything's good, then I'll continue with the full removal. Calling it. It's been a long day, and honestly, I'm totally wiped out. I was telling my niece, I've gone up and down these stairs hundreds of times, and got a lot done this weekend. Got a lot of stuff hauled out to the skip, got some lumber with Dad, so I should have everything that I need to make the structural changes. I got the gas disconnected tonight, and I have a balloon on it to see if there's any leaks. I've got the gas shut off outside, so I think I'm good. If everything's good, I'm gonna finish ripping out all the HVAC tomorrow, and that's pretty much gonna be it for demo. I've got this exhaust vent for the furnace and the hot water heater. I'll take that out tomorrow too. But apart from that, it's pretty much done. You know, I even took the screen door off. Got this ripped out. Got the other door to the kitchen ripped out. There's not much left. I got the bathroom floor ripped out tonight. I mean, apart from like plumbing and HVAC and vent pipes, that's it. I even got some more like framing stuff ripped out that's non-load bearing, so I'm just trying to do things like that. There's a few in this closet, linen closet, dining area that like, I don't know, little furring strips and stuff I can rip out, and some non-structural 2x4s I can rip out. Because the goal at this point is like, I've got the skip, just demo 100% of every little thing that I can. I know I've said this a few times this weekend, but even like, there's been some shelves on the brick outside that need to go. Like the light fixture that no longer worked outside, that has been removed. It's just every little thing. So my goal is to have like all the big ticket items that I just mentioned, like HVAC and plumbing, ripped out by Tuesday, which leaves Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to just kind of go around and just, did I miss anything? Can I take anything else out? And even start moving ahead on some framing stuff. I've got my gas fireplace ordered. It's a 36-inch unit, and it's just an insert, which means I can build everything else. So I'm gonna frame out a little, it's gonna be nice. I'll put a picture on the screen, but basically it'll be a fireplace that comes out in the middle and bookshelves on either side. Okay, before I ramble on and talk for 8 minutes, I'm gonna call it here. Again, today was Sunday, April 25th, and I will definitely see you tomorrow right after work, which will be April 26th, a Monday. See you then. As promised, I'm back. It's Monday, April 26th, and I have the skip for 4 more days, maybe 5 more days, at least 4. So I'm just gonna continue taking out everything I possibly can. Yesterday, man, I think I was just pooped out. I've been doing this like nonstop for at least 7 or 8 days now, and I think I was just tired. It was hot, got up to 82 degrees. So tonight, no excuses. I'm just gonna keep cracking away. I'm gonna start with this floor. Okay, well, that was actually really easy. The subfloor in this whole area is pretty interesting. I keep going back and forth on whether I just need to put plywood on top of it or if I need to rip it all out and just put even thicker plywood down. The more I look at it, the more I'm in favor of ripping the whole thing out just in these 2 bathrooms and putting good plywood down. This wall here is actually not wood bearing, and so some of the wood in it is not so great either. And you can see it's been cut up for the various fixtures that were in here. Another interesting thing is, because of the way the tub was, it lined up directly with this joist, this beam, this piece of wood. God, what are these called? But there's a joist underneath the floor that lines up exactly with this, and they cut right through the middle of it to accommodate the floor drain. One really nice thing about putting a 2x4 wall here is that it offsets everything by about 4 inches, and I guarantee it's going to be just enough to clear this and to clear the joist underneath. So, you know, the more I look at this whole area, the more I'm ready to just rip everything out. So unfortunately that means more work and money, but I think it's gonna be the right call. So I'm gonna get going on that. Alright, this is going to be a wrap for Monday the 26th. This is a really ugly shot, and I'm so happy about what you're seeing here, though. I got the furnace and the supply and return ducts ripped out tonight. I've got the hot water heater removed, drained. It's over here by the drain, just in case any residual water comes out tonight. I got the gas pipes out. I've confirmed that no gas is leaking. I got the water pipes ripped out. So tonight was a good night. I got all that stuff in the skip. I didn't record as much video just because I wanted some music because this job sucked. I had my respirator, my goggles, even hearing protection on. And actually last night I just watched Amadeus for the first time. That's the 1984 movie about Mozart. And got me in the mood for Mozart. So I just had Best of Mozart playing all night, which is a weird choice, but actually the time just flew by. I wasn't bored at all. And it turns out Marriage of Figaro, great for doing demolition. Anyways, I'm gonna get out of here because there's still some dust and stuff. But tomorrow I'm gonna come back clean. Not much is left. The plumbing pipes, gotta get those things ripped out over there. They're the cast iron. I don't know, I'm gonna watch some more videos on how to take them out. They look pretty hard to take out. I've seen some people do Sawzall. I've seen some people take a hammer and chisel and just bust up the outer color. But I think mine are like a female to male stack, and I don't think either of those options are gonna work on the 3/8, I think it's actually 4-inch pipe. So I'll see you tomorrow before I start sneezing, but today was a good day.